What's happening? Welcome back to the studio. I'm Dr. Rev Sketch, Dr. Sketch. I'm excited to reveal this one. This is, we were in the store the other day and my son found this on the shelf and I couldn't believe he found it. So, what we have here is a number 314 Funko Pop Deadpool cable. And this is actually a Bobby. It's a bobblehead. So here's the box, number 314. You can see this is part of a series. You've got the Negasonic Teenage Warhead. You've got Colossus. You've got Domino, and then Cable. These were all part of the movie. I believe this was number 2, Deadpool number 2. So that was the one that had Cable and Domino in it. Negasonic and Colossus were in the first one as well as number 2, but Cable and Domino were not. They were in number 2. So let's unbox this bad boy. All right. Well, here's him in his bubble right here. Now let's take him out of his bubble. This guy's cool. Alright, so this one's a Bobby. That's what I call bobbleheads, Bobbies. Right, Cable? I like these because you can do funny things with them. He like most Funko Pops, is not posable. The arms do not move. He's got this really cool, like, I don't even know what you'd call this. It's a gun, obviously. I'm guessing it's laser. But he's got this really cool outfit going on here. He's got his arm shoulder pad and his chest belt. You got your typical X-Men symbol on the belt connector for the belt. A couple pouches for like bullets. He's got your typical X-Men. No, that's not an X-Men symbol. Those are just knee pads. So he's got just knee pads there, and he's got pockets on the back. Again, this is all one standard piece. So the only thing that moves on this guy is his head. And it's a bobblehead. Now this did not come. Most of the bobbleheads I've seen come with like a little round disc stand. This did not come with a stand. So if you get a Cable, know that it does not come with a stand. All in all though, it's a pretty cool looking figure. And I think I'm going to put this bad boy on my shelf. No, won't fit on that one. Let's put him on here. Yeah, a pretty good addition to the shelf there. Let me see if I can move over and let you guys see him. See, it's right there. So, all in all, pretty cool little Funko Pop. Save the box if you want to. That's the beautiful thing about Funko Pop boxes. You can save the box, or you can toss them. It's up to you. If you want to sell the pop later or whatever, then you have the box that you could put it back in and bubble wrap it, and maybe put some scotch tape carefully over the little flap so that it doesn't come off. But anyway, so that's unboxing Cable. We'll see what we got next time. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.